Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora for August 2019 and I have taken items out of the bag and this is what the bag looks like. It's in the color green. Sometimes they come in different colors, like each month I've seen different, different colors. But yeah, this is a really pretty bag that it came in and um, like I said, I've taken items out, and yeah, the back has opened up for pocket size amazingness, and has hashtag Sephora Play. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And I'm going to show you the little paper that comes in there, and this is it. Has the card, and it says and this is Play by Sephora 50 inside 50 beauty insider points, and it says use this code and play hero online. So yeah, you get this card every month and you get 50 beauty points. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to show you the inside, and it shows the items that we receive in there each month. And this is it. And yeah, again, this is what it looks like in the front. And now I'm going to show you the items that I received. The first item is Laura Mercier and Mercy. And it's a mascara, and it's in black. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because you wouldn't know what mascara looks like, so I'm not going to even bother to open it. Then the next item is Altona. And it's, I hope I said that right, and it's called Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. And it says protect and perfect medium to thick hair. And this is for the hair. The next item is a lipstick, and it's Box Bolton. Oh, I have it wrong. And this is what this looks like. And it's a pretty color. That's what the color looks like. And I'm just going to tell you what the color, it says it's Hot Toddy. So this is what this looks like. Then the next item is Glam Glow. It says Super Toner, Exfoliating Acid Solution. Wow, I wouldn't mind trying this. I don't know what it's gonna, I would have to try to see how it works. Yeah, I don't like putting a lot of stuff on my face because I don't want my skin breaking out. Clinique is a good product. This is Clinique Moisturize Surge, and It says 72 hours auto reflemishing hydrator. And so, yeah, this is a nice size. And the last item that I received is Rin. And I can't read this really. It's like out of focus. It says clean skin care. It says Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. So this is for the face. I see I got a lot of skin products. I don't really like the skin products too much. Like I said, I don't like putting everything on my face. Because I don't want to break out. But yeah, a few of the products I would like to try, like the Clinique and the Glam Glow. And I also like the lipsticks, so yeah. These are all the items that I received in my Play by Sephora for August 2019. And please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Help me out. So, yeah, I want to get a certain number of subscribers. So, I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.